Hi, I'm glad we're drawing together again. Let's draw Hello Kitty today. So it starts with kind of a round oval shape for the head. Okay. We're going to draw a couple of ears and the top for triangles. Then the top of the head. Okay. I'm going to make that a little shorter. There we go. So there's the top of the head. Let's draw whiskers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, let's draw eyes. Right about there. There are 2 eyes. Now, next, let's draw the bow. Do a circle for the middle of the bow. We're going to go like this. A little loop and a little loop. And get rid of our extra lines. Okay. It's kind of smeared pencil on there. I don't know how I did that. Must be on my hand. There we go. That's what erasers are for. And let's draw a body. Feet will come up. Body. Foot will come up. Kind of uneven. That again. Come down a bit more. Okay. That's what erasers are for. You're still cool. I'm still cool. No big deal. Right. Let's do a neckline. Her overalls. Let's do arms. Sleeve. And stop right there. I'm going to put a heart right here. And then we can outline, color in our drawing. Do triangle for an ear. Triangle for an ear. Head. Whiskers. 3 on each side. Eye. Let's finish outlining. Let's see. Let's do the heart and the bow. Outline are things that are. Missed the line on top of her head. There we go. Give her blue and a yellow shirt. All right. Let's color in overalls. The blue crayon. Colored in red. And there's Hello Kitty. Like and subscribe for more drawing fun. Come see what we do next time. You can watch this on your phone, tablet, or on your smart TV. Just download the YouTube app. See you soon. Proud of you. Keep drawing.